Hey everybody, it's Mr. M123 again, and as promised, we're gonna do Sly Cooper Thieves in Time, Part 4. Here we go. Another highly anticipated game that obviously taking place after number 3, and I forgot the name of it, Sly. And yeah, I don't know what took him so long just to make number 4 now. So it took him like I think 5 years to make number 4. So yeah, or some shit like that. But let's get started. This highly anticipated game, you know. So well, you're after me, so keep too goddamn long. Here we go. Come on. Sanzaru games. Sly Cooper, Thieves in Time. Here we go. Come on, monkey. Hold on. Shit. Hold on. See, we got. Hold on. Okay.
Wait a minute.
Here we go.
Hold it.
Alright guys, hold on, my sister's gotta do something real quick. We'll be back.